Hey guys, this is Tiffany from the Fetch Content Creation team, and I'm here today to demonstrate our new student desk. We will be taking a look at a couple of these desks and learn how to use them and modify these families here on Revit. These versatile student desks are more commonly found in classrooms, libraries, and other educational settings. To access these families quickly, simply open your Fetch app, and on the top, you could search for your product, then click the three dots and insert. We have already preloaded ours into our project. These desks share several configuration options which could be modified by clicking and going to the Properties panel. Under Construction, we could change the style of the desk by hovering over the Enter Options number, and we will see that a tooltip window shows up with all the options. We'll click number 4, the Open Shelf. Then under Dimension, we could choose the size of the desk, and we will click on option number 2, the 20-inch by 26-inch desk. We could also modify its height, so let's enter 30 inches. And now, that's how quick and simple we could modify our desk family on Revit. For other additional information on this family, we scroll down on the Properties panel, and we'll see that the product code, and we'll see the product code and the pricing details. To sum it up, our student desks make a perfect addition to your future educational projects. These desks come in all different dimensions and styles, and our families will make it easier for you to change with their real-world options. And our families make it easy to make real-world option changes. So feel free to give our Fetch website a visit or open the Fetch app to get started. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for other videos like this.